Alright guys, this is my practically brand new 2026 Chevy Silverado, and my touchscreen stopped working, so I'm trying to figure out how to fix it. One of the recommended ways was to hold the mute and home buttons in at the same time for 10 seconds, and that's supposedly supposed to do a soft reboot of it as a first step to see if that works. So we'll see if it reboots it. Alright, not looking like it is rebooting it to me. And of course I can't hit OK here. So the other method they mentioned was to press the mute and the phone, which I guess that's the phone button, at the same time for 10 seconds. So let me hold these in, and we'll see if that reboots it. Aha! That one did it. Alright, so when it comes back up, we'll see if it works. It's really taking its time here. Alright, she is back up. Let it connect to some stuff here. And drum roll. Boom. Oh, yes. Alright. I can cancel my appointment with Chevy today. No need to take the car in to have them look at it. We have our touchscreen working again. So, hopefully this helped you guys. Saves you a trip back to the dealership. Saves you some money. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I got a bunch of Chevy Silverado stuff, if you have one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.